Hi guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create group chat on Instagram. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to open Instagram application. Once you open Instagram, then you need to click on the messenger or message icon at the top right. Then you need to click on the pencil icon at the top right. And then you need to select any random friend, so I'm going to select random friends of mine, and then you need to click on chat, and you can see that group is created, and here you can simply do a chat. Let me show you by sending a message. So this is the group I created and I started chat here. So by following these steps you can easily create group chat on Instagram. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.